Hi, welcome back to math. This is our fraction decimal percent chart of all the charts in the entire, and all the journal sheets of the entire year. This is the absolute most important one. If we were in class, we would be memorizing this over and over and over. I highly recommend that you memorize it. Now, it seems like a daunting task now, but it's not as bad as you think. And then you can use this knowledge and not have to do as much math work all year long. So super, super, super important. Okay, so we've done fractions to decimals. And decimals to fractions. So what we're going to do is just write down the decimal side. So if I have a fraction of a half, that's like half a pizza or half a dollar. It's easy to think of these in money. So a half of a dollar is 50 cents. That is 0.5. If you like to have 0.50 because it looks like 50 cents, that is perfectly fine as well. We're going to skip the thirds for right now. A fourth of a dollar, also known as a quarter. What is a quarter worth? Well, 25 cents. What are 2 quarters worth? 50 cents. What about 3 quarters? 75 cents. Okay. Fifth, if I rewrote this as 2/10, what would it look like? 0.2. So how about 2 of those? 0.4. How about 3 of those? 0.6. How about 4 of those? 0.8. How about an 8? This is 0.125. Very, very important. Go to bed tonight saying 1/8, 0.12518, 0.12518, 0.125. Okay, if I have 2 8s, I double that, and that ends up being 0.25. If you want it to have a 0, that's fine. 3 8s, 0.375. 4 8s is the same as a half. So if you want to put zeros, you can. 0.5. 5 8s. So I would write down 0.125 and multiply by 5. That actually gets you, well, let's do that so you can actually see. If you know that 1/8 is 0.125 and you need to know 5 of them, that's 12. Okay, then you can always get to all your 8s that way. 0.625. This is the same as 3/4, which is 3 quarters. And then 7 8s, I would do the same thing, multiply. That's 0.875. What about 8 8s? That's a whole. Okay, and now the easy part. 1/10. 1/10. 2/10. 2/10. 3/10. 4/10. 5/10. 6/10. 7/10. 8/10. 9/10. And what is 10/10? Again, that's 1 whole. Okay, if you have questions, ask your teacher tomorrow.